so this is the finished look. I just want to thank you all so much for watching and for sticking through it with me. It did take me a while. Honestly, I think the most difficult part was the stripes, because that was so hard using my right hand because I'm a lefty to do like the other sides and stuff like that. My spider came out a lot better than I thought it even would. On paper, can't draw. Not artistic on paper for the life of me, but you know what? Makeup works. So I threw on my red wig to just kind of pull the whole look together. So it's not quite exactly Spider-Man. I decided not to do like the mask and stuff like that, but I did want to do a Spider-Man inspired. So if you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. And then if you want to see more, please go ahead and go to my Instagram and like those photos as well. Give me a follow, subscribe to my channel here, follow me on Instagram. Again, all of your guys' love and support is so much appreciated. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be doing all of this. So thank you guys for everything, and again, I hope you liked it. Let me know who you want to see next, because I do have a few characters in mind. So I'll see you next time. Bye.